Let's start with the most immediate consequence specific to Florida, the annual report requirement. Under Florida Statute Chapter 605, every LLC registered in Florida must file an annual report with the Division of Corporations. This report is due between January 1st and May 1st each year, and the filing fee is currently around $132. That may not sound like a crushing amount, but here's where Florida business owners get into serious trouble. When you ghost your LLC, you're not filing this annual report. Florida doesn't send you a paper reminder anymore. They send an email to whatever address you had on file when you formed the company. Now, if you've changed emails, moved, or you've just not paying attention, you're missing these notifications, these reminders. Now, after the May 1st deadline passes, Florida imposes a $400 late fee on top of that annual report fee. So now you're looking at over $500 for something that would have cost you just $138. But here's where it gets even more problematic. Now, if you continue to ignore the requirement, Florida will administratively dissolve your LLC. Under Florida law, this typically happens after 3 years of non-compliance. You might think, great, problem solved. The state closed it for me. But administrative dissolution in Florida doesn't make your obligations disappear. Here's what many Florida business owners don't understand. Even after administrative dissolution, your LLC still exists in some sort of legal limbo. You can't do business under the name anymore, but you're still potentially on the hook for penalties, and anyone who had a claim against the LLC before dissolution can still pursue those claims. The state will also send any unpaid fees to the Florida Department of Revenue for collection, and these debts can be reported to credit agencies.